My academic journey began as a lecturer and then as a senior lecturer in Swansea University back in 2008. I joined Southampton Business School in 2014 as an associate professor of finance. Soon after, I was promoted to a professor, and then now I'm serving as head of the Department of Banking and Finance. Prior to joining Southampton Business School, I also held a senior scientist position in many reputed international think tanks, such as International Institute for Applied Systems Analysis in Vienna, Institute for Future Studies in Stockholm, Sweden, and Institute of Economic Growth in New Delhi, India. I strongly believe that Southampton Business School is a unique breeding ground for cutting edge and cross disciplinary research. It creates a happy space for every bright and innovative mind. In fact, I believe that when you innovate, you bring excellence, and excellence further feeds back into a happy environment. Our Department of Banking and Finance in particular consists of international experts who are impactful, extremely hardworking, and bring innovation into whatever they do. They are enterprising and bring excellence into both their teaching and research environment. Being an economist by training, I bring the importance of theoretical architecture in model building into solving the complex financial problems that we see in the real world. My current research focuses on building long memory interdependent systems for many socio-economic and financial problems and helping them to predict, for instance, the applications in digital finance or stock market volatility, among others. Recently, I am engaged with developing many technological and methodological tools for solving many healthcare related problems which have imminent social, economic, and financial implications. I strongly believe that students are our future leaders. Through our students, we can see the realization of our visions for a bright and impactful futures. One way to do is to bring cutting-edge research-led teaching into the classroom. As long as we inform students with the recent developments in our profession, they will be able to cope up with the future challenges in the most efficient way. This is one of the reasons I try to bring those research-led teaching elements into the classroom, as well as I bring the philosophies of many other disciplines into the classroom as well. It is one of the reasons probably in the past I have been awarded with the student-nominated Vice Chancellor Award for distinguished teaching. Southampton Business School takes pride in considering both students and colleagues as a part of the big family. We have helped each other's welfare, be it academic or non-academic. It is one place actually, sir, I consider that business school really gives an opportunity for everybody to grow. You have the real talent, you have the real curiosity, you are excellent in your profession, you have a chance to grow. Together, we have earned excellence, and together we will leave a unique footprint for our future generations. I'm extremely proud of being a part of this unique, large family.